year is the year of the dog, 2018. My birth year is year of the horse. Shanta, anong birth year mo? Year of the what?
Year of the rat.
Year of the rat. Basahin mo, Shanta. You are year of the daga.
I'm a rat.
Yes. What does it say? You read it.
It is your lucky year. Your business and projects will prosper and your wealth will increase. You will be promoted in your career. Listen to the advice of the elders. Don't be overconfident. Phew! Everything will be smooth. However, there are two unlucky stars close to you. Beware of envious people who might bring you unnecessary troubles and losing of wealth. Have a low profile and be humble. Everything will be joyful.
Ayun. Stay away from your haters,
May
baby.
dalawa daw na unlucky stars.
This is the year for you to pursue your projects. A promotion awaits you in your career. Oh, your dreams will come true. Wow. However, refrain from wines and temptation. From cherry blossom affairs. Anong cherry blossom affair, Shanta?
Mambababae.
Ano?
Pambababae.
Cherry blossom affairs to avoid unnecessary troubles. Mind your own business to prevent lawsuits. What? Don't be a guarantor. Pray to God, concentrate on your business. You will have an unexpected wealth or income. Yeah, Shanta. Yayaman tayo this year, baby. Ano? Tingnan natin kung totoo yung mga propesya na to. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Shangri-La Plaza at mamayang gabi, they're gonna have some fireworks outside the Shangri-La, which is right outside our apartment, di ba, bebe? So, mamayang gabi, may pabuto sa labas ng apartment namin, as in eye level.
Hey, pabuto is waray.
Oh, what's firework in Tagalog?
Paputok.
Paputok? Oh, paputok. Halo-halo ako ngayon, waray Tagalog. Let's fast forward to mamayang gabi na. Go, bebe. Fast forward na.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling
Wow.
slow.
This is right outside our apartment.
Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you how wonderful you are. And I really wanna take you home tomorrow. Wanna spend forever in the day with you. I really wanna walk you down the aisle, put a ring on you.
Cool.
What you say to
We have the best view from our apartment. Yeah.
Your arrogance and freedom, everything.
It's right in front of our freaking house. Whoa, that's so close. Oh my gosh. What? Woo! Damn. It's on the top of the Shangri-La. Wow. How freaking close that is. That's insane. Oh my gosh. Chinese New Year! Woo! Wow. Whoa. Boom. Wow. Maybe I should keep the window closed. Wow.
It's a big one. It's a big one.
What the
I
hell?
don't want to film it. I just want to see it.
Yes.
So
So close to our window, oh my gosh.
close. You can see it.
Holy crap. Wow. Whoa.
It's a big one! Big one's coming. It's there! Whoa! No, it's not that big. Still big. So pretty!
I know, right? Wow. These are the best fireworks I've seen outside our building. Going nuts. How cool would it be to be on the 10th floor watching that? We definitely picked the good side of the building. Stuck a few on the other side. Woohoo!
Wow.
Yeah! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, it's so
Holy
pretty.
crap, it's everywhere. That was freaking epic. Damn! Woo!
Mingo.
That, ladies and gentlemen, was the fireworks. Happy Chinese New Year. Oh look, the people are running down now. What are they doing? Did something go wrong? They're all like running.
No, because syempre tapos na.
Yeah, but why are they in a hurry?
They have to put it out.
Oh no, the sparks on the building, look, they've got hoses. They have to hose down the building. The roof, like the glass and all that. Damn. Wow, that is epic. It's more fun in the Philippines, baby.
You're beautiful.